What if reality refuses to be fully known? What if the universe itself hides the truth, not out of mystery, but out of law? This is the story of one of the most mind-bending ideas in physics, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, a principle that challenges the very nature of knowledge, of reality, and of our place within it. In 1927, Werner Heisenberg, a pioneer of quantum mechanics, proposed a radical idea. You can know where a particle is, or how fast it's moving, but never both with perfect accuracy, not because our tools are flawed, but because reality doesn't allow it. This is not a technological limitation, it's a fundamental property of the quantum world. In mathematical terms, delta x times delta p is greater than or equal to h bar divided by 2, where delta x is the uncertainty in position, and delta p is the uncertainty in momentum. The more you reduce one, the more the other grows. Perfect certainty, impossible. Let's simplify. Picture a camera trying to capture a moving car at night. You use a fast shutter speed. You capture the car's exact location, but its motion is frozen. Use a slow shutter speed. You get a beautiful motion blur. But now the exact location is lost. Now imagine that on a subatomic level, this trade-off isn't a result of the camera. It's how the universe actually behaves. The more precisely we observe one aspect of a particle, the more reality blurs the other. Even looking at a quantum particle changes what it does. Just the act of observation reshapes reality. Think about this. You're made of atoms. Everything you see, your body, your brain, your thoughts, built from quantum particles that play by these rules. So if you can't fully know a particle, can you fully know anything? This principle destroys the old Newtonian dream of a predictable, clockwork universe. It tells us the universe isn't built like a machine. It's more like a probabilitied cloud, a realm where certainty dissolves the closer you look. So, what is reality? Is it something out there waiting to be observed? Or do we bring it into existence just by looking? Heisenberg's principle forces us to ask, are we explorers of reality, or creators of it? The closer we get to truth, the more it slips away. This is the quantum world, and this is beyond Newton. Subscribe now, because reality is stranger than you ever imagined.